A conflict of interest in auditing occurs when personal, financial, or professional relationships could influence an auditor's objectivity. Managing these conflicts is crucial for maintaining audit integrity, transparency, and credibility. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. What is a conflict of interest in auditing? 2. Types of conflicts of interest auditors face. 3. How to identify and prevent conflicts of interest. 4. Best practices for maintaining auditor independence. By recognizing and addressing conflicts of interest, auditors can ensure fairness, trust, and compliance with ethical standards. 1. What is a conflict of interest in auditing? A conflict of interest arises when an auditor's ability to conduct an impartial audit is compromised due to external influences. Why it matters: ensures audit findings are objective and fact-based, prevents bias, favoritism, or undue influence, protects the reputation and credibility of the audit process. 2 types of conflicts of interest auditors face. Financial conflicts. Auditor has a financial stake in the audited company, e.g. investments, bonuses, ownership. Personal relationships. Auditor has family, friends, or close connections in the company being audited. Employment history. Auditor previously worked for or consulted with the company under review. Gifts and incentives. Receiving money, gifts, or favors that could influence audit decisions. Self-review threats. Auditor evaluates their own past work, leading to biased findings. 3. How to identify and prevent conflicts of interest. Disclosure and transparency. Auditors must declare any potential conflicts before conducting an audit. Independence policies ensure auditors are not involved in financial transactions with audited entities. Rotation of auditors. Change auditors periodically to prevent familiarity bias. 4. Best practices for maintaining auditor independence. Follow international standards, ISO 1911, ISBA Code of Ethics. Reject gifts, favors, or incentives. Maintain a zero-tolerance policy on gifts from auditees. Separate audit and consulting services. Auditors should not provide consulting to the same company they audit. Implement strong internal controls. Organizations should audit their auditors to prevent ethical violations. Key takeaways: conflicts of interest compromise audit objectivity and credibility. Financial ties, personal relationships, gifts, and prior employment are common conflict risks. Transparency, auditor independence, and periodic rotations help prevent ethical issues. Following global audit standards ensures accountability and fairness. By maintaining ethical independence, auditors protect the integrity of the audit process and strengthen stakeholder trust. In the next lesson, we'll explore risk-based auditing and its role in effective audits.